How to use garlic to treat erectile dysfunction fast and boost your libido. There are many home remedies that can help treat impotence, and garlic is considered a natural cure for erectile dysfunction. How to use garlic for erectile dysfunction or impotence. Erectile dysfunction, also known as impotence, is a very common male sexual health problem and can occur in any age of men. This condition happens when a man is finding it difficult to get or keep an erection firm enough for sexual intercourse. While many men who have a problem with their sexual activity are embarrassed to speak to their doctor about this issue, it is now well known that erectile dysfunction can be treated successfully in most cases. In fact, there are many home remedies that can help treat impotence, and garlic is considered a natural cure for erectile dysfunction. For most men, erectile dysfunction can be both physiological and psychological, which means it can have both physical and emotional causes. According to various studies, erectile dysfunction can be a result of a serious health problem, including diabetes, heart disease, high cholesterol, multiple sclerosis, and Parkinson's disease among others. Benefits of garlic for erectile dysfunction or impotence. Garlic, which is being used as a major ingredient in various cuisines across the world, can be an effective natural remedy for erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation. Research has shown that garlic can be beneficial for the treatment of impotence, erectile dysfunction by acting on the body in different ways. A study done by the researchers from the University of Alabama at Birmingham demonstrated that garlic contains polysulfides that promote the production of H2S, which causes blood vessels to relax and lowers blood pressure, thereby improving heart health. The study, published in the journal Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, suggested that garlic's ability to relax blood vessels improves circulation, which indirectly controls impotence. Moreover, allicin, the principal bioactive compound in garlic, has been shown to improve blood flow. The beneficial effects of garlic, such as its ability to lower high cholesterol and contribute to the treatment of hypertension, are well known. Both high blood pressure and cholesterol are a risk factor for atherosclerosis, a buildup of fats and other substances in the walls of arteries, causing obstruction of blood flow. Since atherosclerosis contributes to decreased blood flow, it is a contributing factor to impotence. This indicates that garlic may help treat erectile dysfunction, although more research is needed to establish a direct link between allicin and the treatment of impotence. To get maximum benefits, you can simply chew 3 to 4 cloves of raw garlic every day. Another option to use garlic for erectile dysfunction is to consume it with milk or honey. Crush 1 to 2 cloves of garlic and mix it with 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Consume it on an empty stomach. Repeat daily for 3 to 4 months. A word of caution: while garlic has immense health benefits, speak with your doctor before trying any home remedies, including garlic, to treat your condition, as it can interact with certain medications like anticoagulants and isn't safe for anyone in greater amounts compared to when used in cooking. Note: tips and suggestions mentioned in the article are for general information purpose only and should not be construed as professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor or a dietitian before starting any fitness program or making any changes to your diet. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to this channel now.